Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to fix Roblox Error Code 268 on mobile. And all we have to do is to make sure that we have Roblox application in our devices. I'm going to search for Roblox and download it. And then from there, if in the case that you did try launching the app and it gave you this error code which is 268, all we can do is to head on over to our settings, and then we're going to tap on the storage. Then we're going to make sure that we have enough space in mobile application. So if I tap on cleanup, as you can see, I do not have any junk or anything that is making our phone storage to be full. Another thing that we can actually do if we have downloaded the Roblox application is to try installing and uninstalling the app like 4 hours. If we just head on over to the settings and tap on storage and then tap on cleanup, we can see the option to app reinstall. We're going to tap on it and we are going to navigate the Roblox application, and once we found it, we are going to tap on the reinstall and it will reinstall all the app caches or every data that we have on the Roblox application. Another thing is we can try searching for it on the web browser. So I'm going to search for Roblox.com, and from here we're going to tap on continuing up, but as you can see, it's just taking us to our Roblox application that we are trying to install. And that's it for this video. I do hope that you are able to fix this type of an issue, and I'll see you guys on the next video.